All right, I think we got it going here. I was pushing buttons and not sure what I was doing here. Okay, let's see. Record heights, 94, set back 1931. And, you know, I looked at this 24 in 1956 on this day, and I was thinking, nah, that must be a typo. Then I looked at a bunch of other locations in the area. Barnesville had 25 on this morning in 1956, 33 in, what was it, Steubenville and Wheeling, or was it 34, something like that. So, yeah, it was a cold morning, no question about it. 24, that's terrible. Well, outside right now, some of us are up near 80. Most are in the upper 70s. Winds are coming in out of the southwest. We're waiting for the rain to arrive. And it looks like Wetzel, Tyler, Pleasant, Noble counties, parts of Monroe are getting wet as we speak. Winds are coming out of the south about 7 to 10 miles an hour. Here's the rain advancing in our direction, and it's going to hit. It's just a matter of time. So, notice how cool it is up here. You get some cool air diving into the northern plains. Meanwhile, it's nice and hot. There's Dallas with 91. It's too hot for me. 77, that's pretty nice. 74, 70 in Chicago, 79 in Buffalo. Humidity levels are still kind of high. We do expect they will drop a little bit, but it might take about 24 hours before we feel much of a change. In terms of watches or warnings, nothing to worry about. Still little spots along the Missouri River Basin there, but that's about it. And some frost advisories there in extreme southwest parts of Nebraska. You can see this big upper level low. Notice the darker gray indicating the low level clouds and the nasty system, which is going to be wobbling in our direction over the next couple of days. Well, here's our predictor. We're showing the rain moving into the area about now, and then there's the major low. That one's going to weaken as it moves up into Ontario, eastern Ontario, and into Quebec. And we're going to still have this big upper level gyre, this big monster thing kind of spinning over the Ohio Valley in a counterclockwise flow. And it's going to hang for, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 days. And excuse me. So that means we get a chance for rain just about every day over the next 7. Here we are showing you late Friday, getting a pretty good chance of rain. And then we get a series of weak lows that kind of move up along the front. Never really cools off out here, and it stays cool where we are. We'll show you predictors' numbers here in a minute. There we are, 4 p.m. on Sunday, still showing the chance for a few showers. Not much we can do about it. It's just, you know, when you get these monster upper lows hanging around. And even Monday, still looking at the chance, you know, hinting at some showers there just below the double E's in Wheeling. Well, we go to the 7-day forecast, and you can see the numbers. I've got mid-70s for Thursday, upper 60s Friday, Saturday, mid to upper 60s as we get into the weekend. Just about every day has a chance for a little bit of rain, but every day also has a chance for a little bit of sunshine. Today's turning out as expected, the warmest day of the week. I got up near 80, and we're expecting to see cooler temperatures as we get into the early part of next week, and then a slow warm-up. It's still below average.